Braided duck was too difficult to cook at home. I used to avoid it, saving duck for restaurants, because it felt fussy and easy to mess up. But once I realized this one small thing, everything changed. The secret to duck is that it doesn't need tricks. It just needs the right approach. You start by searing the duck legs, skin side down, until the fat renders and the skin turns deeply golden. That alone takes away most of the guesswork. Then you build a braise: kimchi, soy, hoisin, honey, garlic, ginger, and warm spices, flavors that are strong enough to stand up to duck. Duck needs balance. Kimchi and plum wine come in along with chicken stock to help cut through all that richness. And from there, it's just time. A slow braise until the meat turns tender and the sauce goes glossy. Duck doesn't have to be intimidating. Give it patience, layer the flavors, and let it cook itself. And I promise you, you'll see it in a whole new light.